Now let me speak to you directly, especially the young people in this room. This is your race to run, and how we prepare will shape the future of our country. First, please master one digital skill, just one. It could be coding, design, or data, but choose one thing and get really good at it. In running, we repeat the same stride until it becomes natural, and the same applies to learning. You don't need to know everything, you need to master something. Secondly is solve the real problems. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Look around you. Maybe it's how we deal with heat, waste, or mobility. Innovation begins with the problems you can see. Enjoy big solutions, start at small, with someone saying, let me fix this. Thirdly is track your progress. As athletes, we record every run. We look at best time and recovery. You should do the same with your ideas. Note what works and what doesn't, because what you measure, you can improve. And remember, your ideas are valuable. Protect them and hone them. Fourthly, build your communities of learning. No one trains alone. Champions work in teams. They push and support each other. The same is true in tech and innovation. Find your squad, people who challenge you, share ideas, grow together. Teamwork turns effort into excellence. The fifth one is lead with integrity. Technology should serve people, not other way around. Build things that make life better. Tools that empower, not exploit. In the age of AI, ethics is your biggest advantage, because success without integrity is just speed without direction. For policymakers and industry, that's to our leaders, educators, and investors. Preparation needs systems, and systems needs leadership. We must start by bringing digital and climate literacy into every school. The world has changed, and our classrooms must change with it. Our children should learn how to use technology, not just to consume, but to create. We need to open up data safely so innovators can build new solutions. When information is locked away, ideas suffocate. But when data is shared responsibly, it sparks creativity and collaboration. We must invest in green sports facilities, solar-powered stadiums, modern recovery labs, and tech-enabled training centers. These are not luxuries. They are new foundations of excellence. Let us also support pilot projects, not only big programs. The small experiments done in schools, counties, and startups often become the breakthroughs that change everything. And finally, let us build regional partnerships so Africa becomes the world's testing ground for sustainable sport and innovation. When we combine vision with action, preparation becomes progress. The private sector, government, and youth all have a lane to run in. But it's only when we move together that we finish strong. Together, let us use the power of innovation to shape future where sport, technology, and humanity move in the same direction. As I prepare for my 7 continents tour, I see it not just as a sporting challenge, but as a global message that in every climate, on every continent, sport can inspire change. This journey is about connection, adaptation, and unity, showing that even as the world changes, the human spirit endures. And I hope it reminds us all that Africa is not running behind. Africa is setting the pace.